Hey guys, welcome back. I'm really excited that you're here because it is Christmas in July, and this is when I do some of my favorite videos on my channel. I love making Christmas videos, and this year I want to share with you a couple of really fun and exciting ideas for you to make your Christmas just the most magical season ever. Some of the things that I do on this channel are Christmas tree design series where I give you ideas for how you could style your Christmas tree and show you exactly how you do that. I have DIYs on Christmas and share decorating in my own home. But today, to start off the season, I would really like to go through and look back at my top 5 favorite designs from Christmas trees that I've done over the years and share them with you so that you can really start to get into the spirit of how you're going to decorate your home for Christmas this season. It's going to be a lot of fun today, guys, so let's get started. Number 5, the first Christmas tree that I'm very excited about is called the Sapphire. And I really like to share this one with you because when I published this in my book, The Grandeur of Christmas, I noticed that this Christmas tree really exploded afterwards. You could find it in every store. There was a Christmas tree on display in the blue hues, and even the really unique idea that I incorporated with the chinoiserie effect on a Christmas tree, that's something that became very popular as well. And so I feel really proud of this Christmas tree, and there's certainly a lot of details and a lot of elegance to this Christmas tree that you can get further information on if you want to go check out that long form video, and if this is something you want to try out this year. My number 4 Christmas tree is the Midas Touch, and this Christmas tree is a lot of fun too because it brings in one of the designer elements that I like to recreate with the trees that I suggest to you is that monochromatic look and how that can really elevate a design and make something look very intentional, elegant, and especially in this case of an all gold tree, a little bit on the rich side. So this is a really beautiful option that's going to add a lot of elegance to your home. And then fun thing about these videos is it's not just about putting only gold ornaments on there. I'll give you tips on how changing a Christmas tree from your regular green color to even upgrading to a gold Christmas tree on that base is going to elevate that design even further. So that's why if you like this kind of look, I can go ahead and give you more details on the long form video, and I hope that you enjoy it. My number 3 Christmas tree is Pretty in Pink, and I also combine that a little bit with the confectionary Christmas tree because these both stay in the kind of the pink hues. So depending on your household, it's going to depend on which tree you're going to lean towards. So for example, the soft white hues Christmas tree is going to be a really nice designer look for a modern home that has a white base with a nice pink accent. Whereas if you're going to go into the confectionery Christmas, I can tell you that the children really love this Christmas tree. My children, it's their favorite Christmas tree that we put up every year. And I also have a lot of DIY videos for you, little shorts that can show you how to make your own ornaments for that Christmas tree, which are a lot of fun. If you want to incorporate your children, they would love that as well. And then you have the homemade aspect to the Christmas tree. And this is a nice one that is very accessible because you can go right into Hobby Lobby and they have a lot of the pink section now as well. So check out that video if you're interested in this beautiful pink Christmas tree. My number 2 Christmas tree is one of my favorites, and we call this one the Tuxedo. And it is a beautiful black and white Christmas tree that has an absolute elegant feeling to it. You cannot go wrong in design when you're looking and working with the colors black and white together. The contrast and that vibe that you get, especially in homes that decorate frequently with those colors. It's a very modern way to decorate your home with white and black and gold accents or wood accents. This is something that's going to complement many people's design aesthetics. This will incorporate into your overall look very easily. And so I love this design. I think it's very beautiful, and I would highly recommend trying this out in your home because you can easily incorporate ornaments and trees that you already have, and purchasing a few accents of white and black ornaments together and some black ornaments, and this can really elevate. And this is absolutely something that I think a lot of people overlook, because especially if you go into the store, you'll see always the black ornaments are left behind because it doesn't seem like a very festive color. But if you pair it correctly, it can be very interesting. So it's something to add to your collection if you're interested. And my number one favorite Christmas tree that I've done over the years was the emerald evergreen. This beauty really can sit in many homes in just an absolute elegant Christmas tree. Green is a very popular color. It's very soothing, and especially because it's that monochromatic theme again, where you're not taking up so much color and space in the home. And I think what is really beautiful about this design is because it's not only monochromatic, but it's also a color that is soothing. It is something that's going to really calm the nervous system. And so I love the classic red Christmas trees, but that bright red can really be jarring sometimes. Depending on how long you keep up your Christmas decorations, it can start to feel a little bit overwhelming. And at a certain point, you just want to take everything down to go back to your clean basics of your house, because it's just a little bit too overstimulating. Too many colors, too much going on, too much clutter. And so this is a nice thing about this Christmas tree, because of it being that beautiful green palette. You can incorporate some green accessories, some green garland around the home, and by doing that, you keep everything a little bit more on the simple side, and it can still look very elegant, very high-end and designer. So I wanted to go through and share all these Christmas trees with you because these were my favorite Christmas trees over the years. And I wanted to get you in the spirit and also give you a taste of some of the things that I do on this channel. And especially when it comes to Christmas time, that's really where I love to make a lot of my videos. Coming up this season, one of the things that I'd like to do is focus on how to elevate the Christmas tree that you already have. It's going to make it look a little bit more designer, something that you can feel proud of. So a lot of people, they love to look at these Christmas tree designs, but they have some ornaments already. I find this especially common with families who have ornaments that they've maybe collected from different places, things that are special, things from their children, and they don't necessarily want to reinvent the wheel every year. I'm also going to share with you a couple of Christmas tree designs that I've come up with this year. They're going to be very designer, but are going to be focusing in on that component of calming the nervous system. Just that nervous system regulation that sometimes, especially as parents with young children, we all kind of need. And so I have a couple designs for you that will really help you in your home to incorporate festive decor, but keep it in a way that feels clean and minimal and doesn't necessarily take over the space. Another thing that I'd like to share on the family is how we set up our Christmas village, so you can look forward to that a little bit closer to Christmas, because obviously I'm not setting that up in July yet, although my children would be happy, of course. So there is a lot of Christmas content to come. It's our favorite time of the year, and I'm so glad that you guys are here and ready to check out some of those videos. So please hit subscribe if you like that type of content so that you don't miss out on any of the videos. And if you'd like to hear more about my book, The Grandeur of Christmas, I do have some information on that in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed that short introduction to the season and you're getting excited like I am, and I'm looking forward to share with you the videos that we have to come. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.